How do we divide whole numbers? So, ipiniem sa akin ito sa TikTok. Itong number 1 lang, 44 divided by 80. So, paano ba tayo mag-divide ng whole numbers manually? Kung saan yung sagot ay hindi magiging eksakto, ibig sabihin may decimal. Okay, so dinagdagan ko yung example natin. So, number 1, 44 divided by 80. Paano ba natin i-divide yan manually? Okay, so all we have to do, yung unang number, yan yung dividend, yung nasa loob. So we have 44, and then yung pangalawa, yan yung divisor, yung nasa labas. So 44 divided by 80. So kapag mas maliit yung dividend natin, magdadagdag tayo ng 0. Okay, so try natin kung ilang 0 yung pwede nating idagdag. So isa muna ang idagdag natin. So we have 44.0. So yung decimal, itapat lang natin dito. And then 44 divided by 80, hindi pwede, no, dahil mas maliit. So lagyan natin ng 0 dito. And then itry naman natin yung 440 divided by 80. So ang sagot dyan ay 5. So multiply natin 5 times 80, that is equal to 400. So ngayon isubtract na natin. So subtract. So we have 440 minus 400. The answer is 40. So, dagdag pa ulit tayo ng isa pang 0. Yan, and then i-bring down natin. So, we have 400 divided by 80. The answer is 5. So, 5 times 80, we have 400. So, wala na siyang remainder. So, ang final answer na natin is 0.55. So, 44 divided by 80, the answer is 0.55. Okay, so kapag hindi siya eksakto, ang gagawin natin, ira-round off na lang natin yon. So, karaniwan 2 decimal places pag nagra-round off. Okay? So, next number, number 2. So, we have 52 divided by 20. Okay? So, yung unang number, yan yung dividend, yan yung nasa loob. So, we have 52 divided by 20. So, dagdag tayo ng dalawang 0. So, decimal dito. Itapat na agad natin yung decimal dito para wag na tayong malito. So, we have 52 divided by 20. So, that is equal to 2. 2 times 20, that is equal to 40. And then, subtract natin 52 minus 40. So, the answer is 12. So, okay na pala. Isang 0 lang pala yung kailangan natin dito. Kasi eksakto na agad ito. So, isang 0 lang kailangan natin. Bring down natin itong 0. We have 120. 120 divided by 20, the answer is 6. And then 6 times 20, that is equal to 120. Wala nang remainder. So, eksakto na yung answer natin. We have 52 divided by 20 is 2.6. Okay? So, itry nyo naman ang number 3. I-comment nyo ang inyong sagot.